Excited na ko niya. Nalagyan na rin sa mga bangko.
Di ako nakarampa. Dapat ako yung last minute. Dumating ka pa award. I am late. So hindi ako nakarampa.
Eyes bloodshot and I'm faded now. I try calling to persuade you how I'm a changed man with a new plan, making moves, making big moves like I rule the whole damn galaxy. So tell me, are you starry-eyed? If you are, would you be by my side? I'm a changed man with a new plan, making moves, making big moves. It's my destiny.
Pero di ko alam yung yung sound.
our mini concert, so please stay in our.
Their efforts are indeed exceptional. So with that, I am
Seniors Council!
as the Seniors Council President and also a graduating student of Batch Sakaya. Congratulations, everyone!
Isa.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ano yan? Certificate?
the President of the Seniors Council.
LPT. So to give this award, may I ask my Vice President and also the Director here on stage. This certificate and token to our very exceptional hosts.
Hands together for the Nuevo Dia Band.
Once he does okay na po yung mga kahapas. Mao niya among sitwasyon karon. Senior. Eh ka muna eh. Eh. Jane, eh ka muna eh. Eh. Balag late basta. Wapa. Ana.
Sana all.
Tawagan na to. our seniors ball tonight. Rate from 1 to 10.
7.
7 mo? 7.
Second to table. Third,
May gani nakakuha mo pagkaon day.
it's more like acquaintance.
Okay. Thank you very much. Wait. Oh. Kasi na-yutot sana. Wala mo na. Budget lang.
Okay.
Rate 1 to 10.
I'd say 6. First kasi na yung venue, wala talaga siya table. Like,
table
mini
na.
tables guys. Second is, hanggang 8 lang talaga siya. Third is, wala yung mga co-marketing students ko dyan. Where are you? Yeah, where are you? And then, lastly, nag-greeted po ako sa some numbers.
Okay, so 6 out of 10. Ne, ang na yung mother superior dire. Rate 1 to 10, madam.
5.5.
Ayun. Kita, uy! For us to improve our service as a seniors council.
First is the tables. Lain mo siya mura siya murag assembly. Oo, din. Okay ra mo tang venue din makeri ra tang di ko bahala bula kay design ana. Kaso lang kay murag siya padulungay bitaw prog ni kuan og ceremony bitaw. Ana. And then anang aside sa it. Dilain mo kay siya mag-start afternoon.
Why?
3. Especially mo ato dito niya very kuan pa very hayag pa ni naka-atake gid ani niya lain kila ka makita sa tanan may man sa inig gabi kay di kay ka mo-conscious kay di man kay ka maparo inig lakaw do na late sure jud ko ang rampar ang kulang na to mura proctoria dili siya ga-focus sa seniors puro na acknowledgement nila.
She justified her point that
yeah, I missed the ramp walk, plus I didn't get an award, but damn, I mean, people turn heads on me. And most especially, I ended the party like there's no tomorrow. So by any chance this happens to you, don't be hard on yourself. Take it as a lesson.